No fluff, let's get it. Hey, so right now I have 2 couriers helping me pick up test strips, and just had a learning experience with one of my guys. I wanted to share it with y'all. So the mindset that I recommend my students to have when in this business is you have to assume the role of being the test strip expert. You cannot expect your customers to be experts or to do your job for you. So what I mean is you need to know the products, the expiration date, and how to inspect the boxes and determine if they're mint condition, dinged, or damaged. So let me tell you what happened with my courier. He just went out to one of our longtime customers, and he's went and met this guy plenty of times, and usually all the boxes are perfect condition. Today though, he went out there and it was really cold, so he was rushing. He didn't fully inspect the boxes, paid the customer full price, went back to his car in the warmth, and when he got back to the car, he realized that one of the boxes was heavily damaged. So he should have paid $5 for this box, and he actually paid the customer something like $20. So he just lost 15 bucks. And he was upset with the customer and basically saying, I'm not going to that guy anymore. He should have told me this box was damaged. So that goes back to the mindset I encourage. You need to assume the role of being the expert, and you cannot expect anything from your customers other than to meet up with you when they say that they're going to. So if you assume the role of expert, that means you know that you have to carefully examine every single box that you go and get. Whether it's one box or somebody's bringing you 20 boxes, you need to take the time and look through every single one. Even if the customer tells you over the phone, these boxes are perfect, or these boxes have this expiration date, or these boxes are this product, you need to look at every single box. You can't take their word for it because they're not the expert. That's like you taking your car into a car dealership to sell it to them, and you're telling them, yeah, my car is this model, it has this many miles, and it's perfect condition, it runs perfect, no issues whatsoever, and them just taking you at your word and paying you maximum price or whatever. No, they assume the role of being a car expert. So no matter what you say about your vehicle, they're going to ask you for the keys to your car. They're going to go look at it themselves. They're going to look it over, do a VIN check or whatever, because they can't afford to depend on you to be a car expert. It's the same thing with the test strip. So take your time, look at every single box. Sometimes customers may feel a certain way about you not taking their word for it, but they'll get used to it, and you can just explain it to them. Sorry, I have to look at every single box and examine it carefully. Give me a moment. It'll only be a second. And this product is not a complicated product. Each box that you have should really only take 5 to 10 seconds to examine and move on to the next one. So even if they have 20 boxes, that's only going to take you 1 to 2 minutes to look over everything. They can wait, and that's going to make sure you're minimizing your risk and not taking any L's. The beautiful thing about the business though, even when you take an L, usually it's not really an L, it's just you're not making as much profit, or you're breaking even. But most of the time you can make mistakes and still leave making plenty of profit. I appreciate y'all watching. Go to flipmedicalcommodities.com if you're going to learn more about the business, and my contact information is at easyhustles.net. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.